1 box of butter pecan cake mix. Now I'm gonna come in with my root beer, AW. And we're gonna use this whole can of root beer, all in my 13 by 9 glass dish. Beautiful. Grab a whisk and just start mixing in that root beer with your cake mix. This is a super easy and delicious soda cake. All you need is your favorite cake box mix and your favorite soda. You don't need eggs, you don't need oil, and you don't need any water. Something about the carbonation just lets that cake mix rise in the oven. And I just think that the root beer and the butter pecan is gonna complement each other so beautifully. It's gonna be some nice fall flavors. I did try to look for a spice cake mix because that was my first choice, but it looks like that is the go-to fall flavor. So it was all sold out at my store, but this butter pecan is probably gonna be even better, so I cannot complain. Okay, make sure all of that powdered cake mix is well mixed in with the soda. This is looking delicious and it smells even better than it looks. Okay, perfect. Once that's mixed together, it is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and this is gonna cook for about 40 minutes. While our cake is in the oven, I'm gonna grab some Cool Whip, and then I have here some instant pumpkin spice pudding, and we're gonna put that whole box of pudding right into our Cool Whip. This is gonna be the frosting for our root beer butter pecan cake. I love making a pudding Cool Whip frosting. It just is so much fluffier than, you know, that Betty Crocker frosting you can buy. And you can kind of customize it with any pudding flavor you like. I mean, Ella, she already wants some of this. She is my biggest fan. She wants some cake, but maybe she'll get a little whipped cream after this. So just go ahead and mix that pudding mixture in there until it's completely blended. Like I said, you can use whatever pudding mixture you like. You can use the cheesecake, the vanilla. You can even go crazy and do the banana cream. I think they have a butterscotch. That would be really good in here. All right, that looks perfect. Let's go ahead and grab that cake. Look at that. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells like a root beer float, but with a little nut to it. So let's go ahead and grab our Cool Whip and let's throw it on top of this cake. Ooh, I am way too excited for this combo, pumpkin spice with butter pecan. I mean, talk about fall in a cake. Okay, go ahead and spread this very lightly. You don't want to rip the cake, so just be gentle. Okay, perfect. Even though I said it doesn't need to be perfect. Now that is a butter pecan cake mix. So we are gonna put some chopped pecans on there. Just a nice little sprinkle. So that's gonna add a great crunch to this fall time cake. Woo! Look how good that looks. Perfect. Now it's time to cut a slice. Oh, it's just falling apart because it's so moist. Right, onto our plate, it's okay. It's a little messy, you guys, a little crumbly. If you guys have any tips to make your cake a little less crumbly, let me know. But that just means it's extra moist. Oh, little Cool Whip cake combo. Oh yeah, that's really good, you guys.